Hi, I have in front of me a global FibreIRS ODU32 kit. Okay, you can see the outer box that comes in here, all the component parts are in it. It's available with free delivery from FibreTV.ie. We've limited stocks of these, we got them in clearance sale. Super stuff, low prices, got it discounted, sell it discounted, that's exactly the way it is. But it's all brand new and as with everything from FibreTV.ie, comes with a full warranty. So we have the cable here, we have the LMB itself, we have the 32 ODU unit itself, with the power unit comes with it, with the cable tie, with the mounting bracket here, and we have the adapter here from the power input. So the power turns into an F-type connection on this thing here. So I won't go through the exact uses of it, mainly because it's not actually an area I have huge expertise in. We had some of these units in before, sold extremely well for us, and somebody else's bad luck has been ours. So that's it anyway, an overview of the global FibreIRS ODU unit, a 32 kit, and the part number on it is F101720.